Hi, it's Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles. Today we have a beautiful 4-month post-operative result that I'm very pleased about on a patient in her late 40s who had deflated saline implants. Let's check out the results. She had approximately 325 cc implants and one of the sides deflated, as you can see in the before pictures. And that was a good opportunity for her to upgrade. What we went with are the latest generation cohesive silicone gel implants that are less likely to rupture and feel a lot more natural. She also wanted to increase the size somewhat, so we went from approximately 325 cc's up to 550 cc's. Give me a thumbs up if the recovery was easy. Okay, give me a thumbs up if you're pleased with the appearance of your breasts. Do you love Stoker plastic surgery? All right, well that's enough. Thank you very much for sharing your story. This is Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles with another rapid recovery breast augmentation with a beautiful result, exchanging old saline implants, one of which is deflated, for the latest generation gummy bear cohesive silicone gel implants.